Let's connect the app with our MetaMask extension. Actually, let's try rejecting the request and see what it says. So you can see it says you must connect your wallet to proceed. Great. So let's actually let it succeed this time. Let's let it succeed. Let's actually make the connection. So let it load. Hit connect. So it's trying to connect our MetaMask extension with the website. So it's done successfully. Great. You can see it says connected. So let's type in our name, our email address, and then hit on send. So an OTP has been sent to the email. So let's check the email for the OTP. Great, it's here. So let's copy this and paste it in here. Hit confirm. So if everything succeeds, we should see a new account created. Great, you can see the alert says account created successfully. Perfect.